Aha, I attention TV since so it was social media so. I'm wanting so much of dream lifestyle entertainment and so more attention TV. So subscribe, like, comment and share. Follow on Facebook, like, comment and also share. Akua GMB Akua GMB na ye nim se na wa we penin pa ba ko e wo Ghana mi ha se ne din ene Kwaku Oteng na enche ye bia ana e kamya kwesa wa wijaye e de e ba wo wontem na we ana AJ Pounds e kwotena delay show so ke kan tem bia wono so we chire ma chese ni na aka hu bi ene ma wa we no e de ba we ye na ni na mo ni ye hu se Akua ama e ma bonten e be kasa na ne de baba bonten abekasa call interview e wa Dom FM 106.3 ana we ana na wo chire mu sedia o ma wa we no esi egufaye na ne na mu no wo chire ma chire se one Kwaku Oteng Dr. Kwaku Oteng en sheda eni maka o meti bia almost that so e cool na we kura na wo kasa kro ntimi fa ex no emma na ye asema husband we na beka ex husband o chire mu kura na Dr. Kwaku Oteng e twa plane ticket amma no ana ne ma e de tukwan a na chere se we entokwa bia en sheda woni motana se Akua GMB na se Dr. Kwaku Oteng GMB ntino mene no enkasa na we ana Akua fra hwe se na wo cheche mu ani age papa ye fi se ye hwe ensema AJ Powers ko kan ye pa dia o hwa ani Akua den dia ibusia entokwa mu kura ye beko ne akotie Akua ede abana so ansana no mamenka o se ye university ana sama sana me djumede ebe somo e wa attention TV so
say
oh dia cool
abrochena na I say ukosra obi a bohu ana papa no aba na weekend bi no abefa ne ma no ko me ade wo anu asan de o maba sa na ya ekoso
yeah wow kumase
jo
well back cry obefa omo and sometimes last Christmas on could you yeah
but e basa nso a sometimes ya na ma me no so ne papa no kasa kakra with my experience here
the point is let me clear this. I've got no issues with my ex-husband. We have no issues, any bad blood between us. We are cool. The kids are cool with their dad. I am cool with him. He's my ex-husband. I respect him because he's contributed a lot of things to me and my being, which I respect so much. Most of the times when I'm having conversations with people, they go like, what's the wedding face? Because you don't talk your age. Because I'm in pain and auntie. And you know, I don't have any issue with my husband. My ex-husband. And I say, no.
When say, and no nama, I say, yet 10 some chromo and say 1 TM free Ponkonanga no moana e ha green pa. Until I say, BBM semen can be Namus and Kofosu Busamo.
Much for me, we go no recently, meaning crying Nako Germany, on Papa and the Mamma and crying Nako Germany. Inti meaning me my ex-husband, we have no issues. Inti Michelle.
Toma Pan and man and calling Nako Germany. Let's have a pan crown. What 2 hour ticket to cram out crying.
Of course, I'm the money to him to check tickets money.
Wow. And they say problem be anyhow.
We've got no issue.
And then for Casa or Cromsano.
Oh, any public casa.
It is sometimes or buy a woman and hag about women you be there.
There be a no crowd there. And yeah, some was here come radio we say so say see and I saying you know it's between me and my ex-husband.
Jim FM.
And yes, see. Say and say anything can we inquire. Yes, and you will be called to anything can was. Hallelujah.
My ex is a gentleman. He's a great person, a good person. Kind of now.
But I believe, sir, for me, I believe, Senka, Mosaka Bumanke you.
Debbie, I did be a honomoa. I will say CNC, CIC, BBS.
Sabana says he will come back here.
BBS will be uncle back. You mean yet here wants to say irreconcilable differences, so we cannot be together. It's intimacy.
But Uncle Pensu to me at the end. Oh, Yamidia to me at the end.
We have perfect will of God and permissive will of God. And you know, we probably might be under permissive will of God, and I am not ready for it. He is also not ready. We are okay. We like the relationship now. He was saying, no, it's good.
Kind of for somebody, Munyasa Casa Binoa, one can sim be near the idea be near there. Ya Munyasa, Gomeno. Tina yana drew maybe and same yana men so cry. Ghana for peka. Oh, you crow him. On peka sao.
Yeah, be part of us. Say, yeah, any pay did be.
And what it is handsome same bisa some for how do you feel?
Me, mother. Me, mother.
Jim FM.
I don't pay attention to a lot of things. And I'm not somebody, I'm a self the net. It is obeying who in your picture, maybe I mean. Now, which picture, I send you a message, boss. Who could share the way I don't send it to me because I'm not interested. Because I don't know who you would not send him. I don't know the payment Hamakuma. You get it? It's, you know, I've my mama for one. So now when they see stuff about me that are negative, even positive, keep it. I don't want to know. Because I'm not somebody, I don't follow a lot of people. I don't follow a lot of bloggers, apart from some few bloggers on me. I have personal relationship with them. And you know, me, if I don't follow you, when you post something, I don't see. So person didn't matter no posting or tag me, I'll go and block them. When I see it, I'll block the person. I don't have the time for negative.
But first, and the Nanka also say share me about 20, me about 20. First, and I'm tell you post to be. And so be back can be
never.
See a idea, but
no. First of all, let me clear this. Not even for once. And we because my maybe about because there are times Instagram. There are times I
post to be.
I do a lot of motivational quotes. They go and take their quotes and they do their caption. So when you see such caption, please click on the link and see if you will see Semakasa and Asamatrobia. That is what they were doing. That is why one of these bloggers, Mikasa Miss you know, because I think there was some Rift TV or Omu TV station, and the guy, I posted something that had nothing to do with it. Now I confirm my caption. The Bible to say, "Me say." So I gave him to my lawyers, and they served him a letter and said he has stopped blogging about me. Like, I don't do that. I don't pay attention. I don't give audience to negativity, because most people, they do that because they want your attention, and then for some reason people have realized, hey, oh boy, creating what is going on. So they always use my name, but I don't respond to stuff.
I was for in some way any do na na akua edituja na ninsam na nsa na beto aso na tie dia akadia ba no Dr. Ambuzo eba clinic and I make am for dia ma be ma bia wo hwe me sa abre eba ne se wo low sperm count weak ejaculation obe ma na afan ye ketekete wo de boy ni yo na wo je mu ntimi nsepe wo ba ma na ni enye dia fakopie mu Dr. Ambuzo aso ye na won siesie emfama o kama yie pa omo numbers no frɛ na ne omo eni enkom be hu mature kwan enso wo kuma asitafo club 600 yare bia teto be ma yo Dr. Ambuzo Penny's doctor obehwe no siesie dia ma o kama yie pa yanto osna yenti ensem akua editu dwa interview ni mu emra
akua ye we infanto nchen se wakoye celebrity se ye hwemu a can be say celebrities aware enhyeda enche wadwene sa de no
ati si obebia not only in Ghana.
Then you between us, no.
Me, I don't see myself as a celebrity. I see myself as more of an entrepreneur than a celebrity. And I think, sir, in Pempino, or public figure, I will win penny, no. Oh, warrior, I think, sir, better so we keep it warrior from the public eye. Because, and you will be an wish you well. And you'll be an wish you well. There are some moments like you're celebrating your husband on his birthday, on more anniversary. You can post, but obi or honma, whatever happens in the fear, you know, or we post to social media. And so me, I was married for 9 years, and son of me, Jaya. And I brought me worry. No, I posted my husband on Instagram just twice on his birthday. And in the crowd, people were saying, "Say I brought my husband to the social media," which I personally feel I never did that. But so we a celebrity who are in a so person who are age na dia, you are very free independent for ukunutinefie. Me who be an energy or so I don't manage or manage. No, if you are happy, you don't need people to know, and you don't need the validation from people. Say your marriage is working. No. Keep your marriage to yourself. Some more issues, you keep your issues to yourself. Sometimes you don't pay attention to the kind of things we write on even our WhatsApp status. But the reality is people read a lot of meanings to the things we write on our WhatsApp status and they make their own conclusions. Maybe when they will read wrong meanings to it. Maybe only problem, but the time I'm realizing it's all over social media. In the person two mano see what you want. Your poem impact or what you know so. Just for what we free independent, enjoy your marriage in peace.
And number 4 ne adofo ane eben wo omo betray wo kwan bi so.
Also medical can as in betrayal. I don't call anything betrayal. Whatever that happened was meant to happen in this year.
Yeah. Yeah, fancy.
Exactly.
Do you have friends now? Those you call friends?
Yeah, but say no human is an island. So in the we yet day we in the power brabum. And I say in so far bass because one so be exactly.
But now phobia now who associated with and they say you are no more with those friends.
Yeni ewa brabum. And I would yin no a como conquine say boom better theatre no be magina. Until be a what theatre be and then read so ne purpose until Obama brabum may see to know also what it on what theatre into yet brabon so.
Are you dating now?
I wouldn't want to comment on that.
There's one more person the application baby team the aba.
I will not comment. I won't comment.
But I say I won't share ring.
Say me worry. When Musa say wow. And obviously say me worry.
Say a honest start here as any draw worry anything na me busa.
Me say me worry.
Okay.
And they can so they main comment on it.
On say movie be a hwem re. On say wo dam pa na ba ko cha na abuakum. And say empa no wada ba ko ache wo.
Oh, there be me man me man
oh, sir.
Full bed.
But one that almost so there.
Debbie.
Now what they wear?
Oh, Debbie, me pan so power.
Oh, sir. I want to a woman. Me produce a barber hair na dwi. They say maybe ready you do no.
I will say Akua GMB and I'm about to tell so the system about which much there. Odini kunu Dr. Kwaku Oteng awabejaya esi efa abaya osanso echire ma chese se ni pan de oni ni metu makabia some that so cool people to say kamya kwa say ye beka na say bia enamfofa aye ene de be so ane de be so mo e wa attention TV ye da se da ne da o hwa attention TV ya crowd ye da